Example 1. Simple depreciation. 3 years ago, Raisa's father gifted a second-hand car on her birthday. The car has depreciated at the rate of 15% per annum, on a straight-line basis, and today its resale value is 55,000 rand. What was the value of the car when it was gifted to Raisa? Solution. Let us read the problem again and write down the given facts of the problem. 3 years ago, Raisa's father gifted her a second-hand car. Therefore, n equals 3. Car has depreciated at the rate of 15% per annum on a straight-line basis. I equals 15 over 100 equals 0,15. Today, its resale value is 55,000 rand. This means that 55,000 rand is the depreciated value at the end of 3 years, and not the original price. A equals 55,000. We have been asked to find the value of the car when it was gifted, that is, the original value or the principal amount. Using the formula for simple depreciation, we can find P. Substituting the values of A, I, and N, we get. Entering this expression in the calculator, we find that the price of the car has almost halved in 3 years. That is, the loss in value due to depreciation.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.